There are many ways to make money online, and the best method for you will depend on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Freelancing. If you have a skill that can be done remotely, such as writing, graphic design, or coding, you can offer your services as a freelancer on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students around the world. You can use platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or Preply to connect with students. Affiliate marketing. You can make money by promoting products on your blog or social media and earning a commission for each sale that comes through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate programs are available for almost any niche. Online surveys and market research. There are several websites that will pay you to take surveys or participate in market research studies, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Toluna. Sell digital products. If you have a skill or expertise that others would find valuable, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your products. Remember, making money online requires hard work, dedication, and patience. You won't become an overnight success, but with consistent effort and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can build a successful online business or side hustle.